If Google Chrome is blocked by your firewall in Windows 11 and you can't get online, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step, including allowing Chrome through Windows Defender Firewall, removing corrupted firewall rules, flushing your network cache, and restarting your PC so the changes fully take effect. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time if Chrome is suddenly unable to connect while other apps still work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing to do is add Google Chrome to the allowed apps list in Windows Firewall. This is the most direct fix because it tells Windows to permit Chrome to pass traffic through the firewall. To do that, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Allow an app through Windows Firewall, and press Enter. This should open the Allowed Apps screen right away. If Windows asks for permission, approve it so you can make changes. Once you're in the Allowed Apps window, look for the Change Settings button in the top right corner. Click that and you may be prompted for administrator access. This step is important because the list is locked until settings are unlocked. After that, scroll down the alphabetical list until you find Google Chrome. When you see it, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are selected. Private lets Chrome connect on trusted networks like home Wi-Fi, and public allows it on public or shared networks if needed. After both boxes are checked, click OK to save your changes. Then close Chrome completely and reopen it to test the connection. If Chrome was already checked and it still cannot access the internet, the next fix is to delete and recreate the firewall entries. Sometimes the rule itself becomes corrupted, even though it looks enabled. To do this, open the control panel and go to System and Security, then select Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Advanced Settings. This opens the more detailed firewall management window where you can inspect rules directly. Now click Inbound Rules on the left panel and look for any entries related to Google Chrome. If you find them, right-click each Chrome entry and choose Delete. Be careful to only remove the Chrome-related rules. After that, repeat the same process under Outbound Rules. Again, find all Google Chrome entries, right-click, and delete them. Once those rules are removed, open Chrome again. Windows should detect the connection request and automatically prompt you to create a fresh, working permission rule. Accept that prompt if it appears, because it rebuilds the firewall rule from scratch and often fixes the problem immediately. If you still cannot get Chrome online after that, the next step is to flush your network cache. This helps clear old network data that may be interfering with your browser connection. To do this, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the network reset commands need elevated permissions to work properly. In the Command Prompt window, type the first command exactly as shown, nets Winsock reset. Press Enter and let it finish. Then type the second command, ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter again. The first command resets the Winsock catalog, and the second clears your DNS cache, which can help Chrome reconnect if the issue is related to stale or broken network settings. After both commands are complete, close the Command Prompt window. The final step is to restart your PC. This part is easy to skip, but it's essential because Windows needs a fresh reboot to fully apply the firewall and network changes you just made. Once your computer comes back on, open Google Chrome and test your internet connection again. In many cases, this final restart is what makes everything work normally again. So to recap, the main fixes are allowing Chrome through Windows Firewall, deleting and recreating corrupted firewall rules, flushing your network cache, and restarting your PC. If you followed each step carefully, Google Chrome should be back online in Windows 11. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.